Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to get the button unstuck if you applied a tempered glass protector with UV curing liquid. It got in there and it cured in there. Ain't that cute? Just want to show you what I'm using. So it's alcohol isopropylic. Do not use nail polish remover or paint solvent or strong stuff like that, because you have a big chance of damaging the internals. I need to tell you, this was 100% fully stuck. It wasn't moving at all. And I think I put, let me try and show you, it will drip all around, but maybe you can still see. Like this, I put a little bit in there, so it would just stay on the button itself and seep into it just a tiny bit from time to time. And I continued to put in there for, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes or something like that. Continuing just to put alcohol and trying to move the button. Do not push on it too much, because it's not able, the spring cannot push it back. It's so stuck that it's basically almost all the way in. And just moving it, putting a little bit more alcohol, moving it, it started to come back slowly, come out slowly. So now I didn't start to film because I honestly thought, okay, this phone is screwed, I destroyed it. It's not the first time I apply something like this. But on this one, if you look at it, you do not really have an edge where to glue your protection, a sticker or anything. The button is right there next to the glass. You don't have room for anything. Obviously I covered the ports, I covered everything else, but on the buttons I couldn't. Volume button working perfectly, they do not care. You can hear them clicking, but this one, just now after 10-15 minutes, you can see it slowly moving, rocking back and forth, but still not clicking. It's, I don't know, we have 30% of its movement up until now. It's still almost all the way in, but it's starting to slowly work. And push on it, wiggle it, put a bit more alcohol, wiggle it again, wipe everything in here, put a bit more alcohol. Again, do not use strong solvents, it will destroy the phone. And try to not dissolve the glue that you just put on the glass. So yeah, and it will run down the back of your phone, and it will also try to dissolve the glue that is keeping your glass onto the phone. It's all fun and games, but it's either this or maybe going to a shop where they are going to take off the back of this phone and replace your button or clean it. So I'm taking my chances with alcohol, and slowly, not sure how much you can see, it's getting glue out. You maybe can see some bubbles in there, so it's getting the glue out, and I'm wiping it from time to time, putting a bit more alcohol, and in the end we will get rid of all the glue. There's the only thing that can be done, honestly. Made more progress. As you can see, it's basically pushing out dissolved glue. I'm continuing to wipe it. It's clicking every single time now, so the button is already working. It's not fully out. I'm not sure if it will ever get fully out. I'm not even sure if this was fully out. This is a 4-year-old phone, and this button gets used way more than the volume buttons, but now it's fully working, so at least that's fixed. A huge piece of glue came out, so this is working again. We are getting that glue out. It's the only way that I know without destroying the phone. And I mean destroying it at home, because at a shop they will remove the back, remove the button, get a lot of money and make it work. Probably it will not be watertight anymore. Probably like this it will not be watertight anymore. Who knows? But at least it's working and can be used. And this is where I'm stopping. The button is out enough that it's perfectly working. But yeah, this was really fun. So do your best to protect these things if you apply a tempered glass with UV curing glue. But yeah, this was quite impossible. I tried to stick something in here, but it was not working. But yeah, managed to fix it and it's fully working. So that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye. Just so you know, it also works perfectly with the case. So we saved it.